My name is A.Phương, 5 years old. Today I want to tell you about elephants, giant mammals.
Yes.
Elephants are number 1.
Wow.
Elephants are huge. They are much, much bigger than the biggest human.
Yeah.
They are
amazing.
the biggest animals on Earth.
Wow.
Take
amazing.
a look.
Yes.
Elephants are covered with gray or brown skin. They have long noses called trunks.
Oh.
The elephants use their trunks to grab food and suck up water.
Wow.
And they use their trunks to make noise.
Oh, so their trunk is very useful.
Yes.
Yes.
Elephants use their trunk to breathe, to suck up water and grab food and make noise.
Wow. Yes. And what else?
Elephants are bigger.
Oh, yes.
Elephants are biggest and they can eat. They eat lots of plants.
Huh?
They eat lots of plants. I have an elephant too. That is a toy.
Oh, yes.
It has wheels.
Ah, yes. Okay.
It can move when I press it. A white thing. It can move straight.
But it is toys.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll show you.
No. Okay, now talk about real elephant.
Real elephants can eat plenty of plants.
Yes.
Real elephant can move.
No, that is giant elephant.
Giant elephants can move by legs, but their legs have something white.
Oh, yeah. Is that fit?
Yes, their feet are round. It's round and round.
And how about types of elephant?
Type
How many kinds of elephants?
elephants live in groups like a family. Female elephants stay together in their own group.
Oh. And how about males elephants?
Males, females, female sitting up.
Oh, yes.
Female elephants stay together in their own group.
And how about how many kinds of elephants?
There are lots of kinds. There are 2. There are 2 kinds of elephants.
Oh, what's
Elephants. There are African and Asian elephants.
yes?
African elephants is bigger than Asian elephants.
Wow.
The 2 kinds are different in other ways too.
Yes. And how about baby elephants?
Baby elephants. Mother teaches her cats how to live in the wild.
Oh.
Baby elephants just drink milk. Elephants.
Drink milk.
Baby elephants just drink milk. In larger time, they will grow up
Yeah.
and up.
But how about baby elephant look like? Is bigger or small?
Small.
But
They are small.
they're small.
A little bit.
But they are bigger than people.
Yes, they are bigger.
Although they are baby elephant,
Yes.
but they are bigger than people.
Yes.
They're very huge.
Huge.
Okay, and what else?
And elephants eat a lot of grass in one time. They eat everything, but they do not. They eat grass, leaves, and leaves. They eat leaves on trees.
And what should you do to protect elephants?
Keep elephants safe.
Oh,
Elephants need to live in zoos,
yes.
and they need to live in forests.
Yeah. Don't eat them.
Yeah.
Don't hunt them. People often hunt elephants to take a trunk, to take horns.
Horns
Yes,
to keep the horns out.
yes. So protect the elephants.
Zookeepers keep elephants safe in zoos.
Yes, but they need live in the forest to grow up
Grown up
and free.
and free.
Free.
People go in the forest. People will be scared.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon. Bye bye.